We are living in different times, times where wrong is normalized and right is ridiculed. Times where likes matter more than legacy, where people would rather post about healing than actually do the work. We are in a world where the image has become more important than integrity, where you can buy clout, but you can't rent character. We're straying, drifting. We've become a society more obsessed with what's on our bodies than what's in our hearts. And in the process, we've lost something sacred. Our children are lost. But let's be real. Many of us are lost too. We handed them devices, but didn't give them direction. We taught them how to hustle, but not how to heal. We gave them options, but not identity. So they scroll for validation, mask pain with entertainment, and look to a world that doesn't love them to tell them who they are. Our government is lost. Policies without principles, laws without love, power plays in suits while people starve in silence. And we, the people, have become numb to it. We shake our heads. We keep scrolling. We say, that's just the way it is. But let me remind you, it ain't supposed to be this way. We are suffering in silence because trust has been eroded. Because somewhere along the way, we stop being real with each other. We smile, but we're sinking. We're successful, but we're spiritually bankrupt. We're busy, but we're broken. But hear me, it doesn't have to end like this. In fact, this is where it starts, because pressure creates diamonds. Pain produces purpose. And when we hit rock bottom, oh, come on. That's when we build the foundation. You think all this negativity is the end? No, it's the soil. And in this soil, we plant grit, grace, and grind, because in a world that's lost its mind, we become the example. We walk in integrity. We lead with love. Don't cry to quit. You're already in pain. Get a reward from it. Let's turn this season of silence into a symphony of strength. Let's build again from the inside out. Let's be the light, the leaders, the legacy. It starts with you. It starts with us. Different times call for different warriors. So get up, speak life, show love, and don't just wear something valuable. Become something valuable. Because listen, we got too many people flexing diamonds with dusty spirits. Too many loud mouths with no moral compass. Too many selfies, not enough self-reflection. Too much ambition with no assignment. We chasing bags, but forgetting to chase truth. We want visibility with no vision. We're preaching mental health, but still glorifying the grind that's killing us. We scream love and light, but we ghost the people who really need us. We post family first, but ain't been home in weeks. We talking healing, but we ain't humble enough to admit we're still bleeding. Come on, y'all. This is not about guilt. This is a wake-up call. This is not about shame. It's about shift. You don't fix a broken culture by blending in with it. You rise by resisting. You lead by living it. That's focus. That's legacy. That's impact. See, your gifts ain't just for show. They're for service. Your pain wasn't just for you. It was training. Your story ain't just for clout. It's for change. You don't go through hell just to make it out. You go through it so you can lead others out. This is not the season for distraction. This is the season for discipline. Not the time for image. It's the time for intention. Not the time for scrolling. It's the time for sacrifice. So no more pretending. No more hiding behind filters and fake friendships. No more worshiping success while neglecting your soul. The world doesn't need more influencers. It needs more impact makers. People who pray in private and lead in public. People who choose character over clout. People who build bridges, not just brands. So get focused, get real, because different times call for different warriors. And you were born for this. You're not here to blend in. You're here to break cycles, to speak truth, to live loud, to shine so bright the next generation finds their way through your light. And if nobody told you today, you are needed, you are called, you are enough, but it's time to move like it. Let's go.